Hey, Mike with Marketing Systems by Design here, the channel where we help cleaning business owners generate more traffic, leads, and sales for their business with digital marketing. In today's video, I'll be walking you through how to get cleaning company testimonials and reviews, even if you have a new cleaning business. So let's get into it. So the first thing to really understand is why reviews are so important. Well, basically they build trust, credibility, and social proof for your business. You know, obviously in your marketing, on your website, when you're talking to people, you're going to be talking about how great your cleaning business is. That's kind of a given. But when it comes from a third-party source, a happy customer talking about how great your business is, it's a lot more effective at closing potential clients and getting people to believe that your services are as great as you say they are. On top of that, there's a lot of additional benefits that positive reviews have when you use them in conjunction with your marketing strategy. And so we'll touch on that more in a bit, but keep in mind that there's a lot of benefits to having positive reviews, and so you should focus on getting them for your business. Now, sometimes cleaning business owners run into the issue of getting their first few customers without having positive reviews. So if you're wondering, how do you get new customers if you're just getting started and you don't have any reviews, there's a few different ways you can do that. So starting off, the first thing that you want to do is begin with networking and people that you know and your contacts. This is a great place to start because you already have an existing relationship with these people and they're much more likely to give you a chance and try you out as their cleaning service. Another big thing to keep in mind is that you want to start out small. A lot of people get into commercial cleaning thinking that they're going to have these huge accounts that are hundreds of thousands of square feet. And certainly that's possible eventually, but usually businesses and facilities of that size are not going to test out a brand new cleaning company to clean such a large facility. They want to see someone that has a proven experience first before they allow someone to do that. And so if you're just getting started and you don't have any reviews, again, start locally, start with people that you know, start with your contacts, and start small. Another idea to help you get some of your first few clients and even get some new reviews is to do cleaning for free in exchange for a positive review. So for example, maybe you're a member of a church and you reach out and say, hey, can I do some cleaning for you guys? And if you like what we do, would you be willing to give us a review and maybe even turn this into an ongoing relationship where you eventually become a paying client with us? You know, give us a chance to prove ourselves. And if you like what we do, you can hire us at that point. This can be a great way, again, to get your foot in the door, start getting that experience. And if you're doing this in exchange for reviews, or once you've proven yourself, you can turn that into an existing client. It's a great way to get your business rolling. And again, once you have some of those reviews and testimonials, you can eventually turn that into more business as people see credibility with what you do. Another tip for getting more reviews for your cleaning business is to not ask for reviews too soon. We see this a lot with cleaning businesses that they maybe do one or two cleanings and they're kind of jumping on that client, asking them for a review, asking them for a testimony, and the reality is it's just too soon to do that. And if you ask too soon, it can come off like you're asking for something that you haven't really earned, and that can annoy some customers. Also, if you ask too soon, they might say, yeah, we'll give you a testimonial, or yeah, we'll give you a review, but they just never seem to get around to it and keep pushing it off or keep being busy. And so it's all about having the right timing when you ask for reviews, so don't ask for them too soon. But again, that might leave you wondering, when should you actually ask for a review? Well, there's a few different ways to do it. And one of the best ways that we recommend is to ask for reviews and testimonials when a customer gives you a compliment or they reach out to you specifically about something well that you did while cleaning their business. At that point, it's pretty simple to just ask directly and say something like, hey, last week you reached out to us complimenting us on our attention to detail when we cleaned your business last week. You know, I was just curious if you'd be okay if we featured that as a review on our website and testimony that we could use in our marketing. You know, if they're already happy with you, they already left you a compliment, chances are they'll probably agree to that and be willing to do a review for you at that point. Now, another kind of indirect strategy you can use to actually get more of these compliments and more positive things going is to implement a customer feedback program for your cleaning business. This doesn't have to be extremely complex by any means. Maybe you send out a survey every month to your clients asking them what areas you're doing well, what areas you can improve on to keep their business. And in doing so, you're gonna find out what you need to improve on to keep them as a customer, which can improve customer retention rate. But also, if you're asking for things like what you're doing well, it can give you plenty of opportunities to get compliments and positive feedback from your customers. And so if you're doing these customer feedback surveys on a regular basis, once you get several of them in a row, or you get a really good compliment from your client, this could be a great time to ask for a review. And then you're doing it kind of indirectly because of this customer feedback survey. So we suggest implementing those if you aren't doing those already. Now, one suggestion we definitely have as well is that really as your cleaning company grows and you continue to have more and more clients and customers, you can add in some automated approaches to this as well. So one suggestion for this is setting up a review system for your business. One thing that we use with our clients is called More Reviews Now. You can definitely reach out to us to learn more about that. But what this does is it allows you to input your customer information. So clients that you've had around for a while, you can enter their name and email, and we'll set up an automated request to ask them for positive reviews and feedback for your business. Another thing that you could do is on any communication that you regularly have with clients, you could just have a PS line at the bottom of the email, for example, saying something like, "Did you have a great experience with our service this month? Let us know by leaving a review here on Google." Something like that, where it's just kind of out there. It's not in their face. It's not pushy. It's just a simple line at the end of the email asking for a review. And it's kind of more of a passive approach that can lead to more positive reviews for your business. So now that you've been implementing the strategies I've been talking about, and you have several reviews on hand, the next step is to utilize them in your marketing. And so there's a lot of different ways to do that. But again, the reason for using reviews and testimonials in your marketing is the fact that it builds trust and credibility for your cleaning business. Now, one type of review you want to get a lot of for your cleaning business are video reviews. Certainly, these might be a little bit harder to acquire from customers, but they're extremely powerful because video is one of the best ways to build trust and rapport and credibility with an audience. On top of that, it's pretty hard to fake a video review. At least most people aren't going to do that when they're trying to promote their business. Some people may write fake positive reviews on Google or online, but very few people are going to take the time to record and make fake video reviews. So most people that see video reviews that you've gotten from customers really believe them. And so it's a powerful way to build trust, credibility, and improve your conversion rates in your marketing. Another area you can use positive reviews to promote your cleaning business is on your Google My Business page. So if you've ever searched online for things like commercial cleaning near me or janitorial services near me, or maybe you want people searching for those terms to find your business, you need to set up a Google My Business page. And so if you've ever used search terms like that for other businesses or other services you might be interested in, you've probably done that and then seen a Google Map result listing the top businesses for that service. So if you want to be one of those businesses that show up when people are searching for things related to commercial cleaning, you need to get a lot of reviews on your Google My Business page. We've seen this time and time again that companies that typically have the most reviews and the best star rating on Google My Business are the top ones that show up in Google Maps. And this can lead to a ton of free targeted traffic and phone call leads for your cleaning business. So definitely strive to get more reviews there. Another more advanced form of reviews and client testimonials are case studies. And these are great things to put on your site. And like I said, they're a little bit more in-depth than just a 1 or 2 sentence review. Basically, you're going to go through a specific client of yours and their story of what they were struggling with, the issue that they had, why they decided to hire you, what you did about it, and now the result at the end of how and why things are better since they started working with you. And so these are very powerful selling tools and can really improve conversion rates for your business. because people that are in that specific situation, dealing with that problem, if they're in that industry, if really they can relate to that story in any way, they're going to be a lot more likely to hire your cleaning business. And so it's a great way to use reviews and testimonials to grow your business. Another couple ways you can use reviews and testimonies is by having a review page on your website that highlights all your positive reviews. Again, this is just a simple way to showcase that your customers are happy, they made the right decision by working with you, and this can really improve your conversion rates. And a final way we recommend using these customer testimonials and reviews is through advertising your business. So when you're promoting your cleaning business with paid ads, typically you send people to a landing page where they can learn more about your business. And so you could highlight reviews on that landing page, which just again builds more credibility and can help improve conversion rates for your business. You might even create a video that cycles through all the positive reviews from your customers as the main focal point of the ad that you're running. And then you just simply drive people back to your website to request an estimate or quote at that point. So again, hopefully you guys got some benefit out of this video and these tips make sense for you on how to get more reviews for your cleaning business if you're just getting started, and why you should use reviews in your marketing. If you did enjoy this video, hit that like button as it really helps out the channel, and be sure to subscribe if you haven't and turn on the bell notifications to get the latest updates of new videos we put out to help you build a profitable cleaning business. And if you are struggling to generate quality leads for your cleaning business, we put together a free video training on the top 10 lead sources for cleaning business owners. So if you'd like more high quality leads for your cleaning business, there'll be a link in the description below where you can access that free training on the top 10 lead sources for cleaning businesses. But once again, thanks for tuning in, and we'll talk to you more soon.